An automobile that reaches 500,000 miles is an impressive accomplishment that very few attain. It shows how long the car has lasted, as well as how committed the owner is to regular, comprehensive maintenance. Maintaining a consistent maintenance schedule that includes routine oil changes, transmission fluid replacements, coolant flushes, and wear and corrosion checks is crucial if you want to keep your automobile operating smoothly for many years to come. These procedures greatly increase your car's lifespan and help avoid expensive repairs. Here are 6 key habits that can keep your car running smoothly and reliably past 500,000 miles without major repairs. Number 6, change your oil regularly and properly. One of the most critical factors in extending your car's engine life is maintaining a consistent and thorough oil change routine. Engine oil serves as the lifeblood of your vehicle's engine by lubricating moving parts, reducing friction, and carrying away heat and contaminants. While many manufacturers suggest oil change intervals of 7,500 to 10,000 miles or more, experienced mechanics and high-mileage drivers often recommend more frequent changes, around every 3,000 to 5,000 miles with conventional oil and up to 7,500 miles with high-quality synthetic oil to ensure the oil remains clean and effective. Additionally, always replace the oil filter with each oil change to trap dirt and metal particles that could otherwise circulate in the engine. Using premium-grade oil that meets or exceeds your car's specifications also provides better protection against heat and wear, especially in older engines. This diligent oil maintenance habit is one of the most straightforward yet powerful ways to keep your engine healthy and running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 5, clean and replace air intake components. The air intake system plays a vital role in your engine's performance and longevity by supplying clean, measured air necessary for efficient combustion. Over time, dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate in the air filter and air intake components, restricting airflow and causing the engine to run inefficiently. A clogged air filter forces the engine to work harder, reducing fuel economy and increasing emissions, while allowing unfiltered particles to enter the engine can cause abrasive wear on cylinder walls and valves. Cleaning the MAF sensor with a specialized cleaner every 25,000 miles helps maintain its accuracy and prevents engine performance issues. Meanwhile, replacing the air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or more frequently, if you drive in dusty or polluted environments, ensures the engine receives a steady supply of clean air. This maintenance not only protects engine internals from premature wear, but it also helps maintain optimal fuel-air mixture, resulting in smoother operation, better power output, and improved fuel efficiency over the long haul. Number 4, wash the undercarriage to prevent rust. Rust and corrosion are silent killers of vehicle longevity, especially in regions where road salt is used during winter or in coastal areas with salty air. The undercarriage of your car is constantly exposed to moisture, dirt, salt, and other corrosive elements that can eat away at metal components over time. While surface rust might seem superficial, it can quickly progress to compromise critical structural parts such as brake lines, fuel lines, suspension arms, exhaust hangers, and even the vehicle's frame. When these components weaken or fail, it can lead to dangerous driving conditions and expensive repairs. Regularly washing the undercarriage, especially after exposure to salt or mud, removes these corrosive substances before they can cause damage. Using a pressure washer with an undercarriage attachment or visiting a car wash that offers undercarriage cleaning is highly effective. Beyond washing, applying rust-proofing sprays or undercoatings creates a protective barrier that slows down oxidation and corrosion. Additionally, having your vehicle inspected periodically for early signs of rust allows you to address problem areas with rust converters or professional repairs before they spread. This proactive approach to undercarriage care preserves the integrity of your car's frame and suspension, ensuring it remains safe and reliable for hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 3, warm up your engine smartly. How you warm up your engine can have a significant impact on its long-term health. Contrary to old habits of letting the engine idle for many minutes before driving, modern engines are designed to warm up more efficiently when driven gently shortly after starting. Extended idling wastes fuel and can cause incomplete combustion, which leads to fuel washing down the cylinder walls and diluting the engine oil. This reduces the oil's lubricating properties and increases wear on pistons and rings. Instead, it's best to start your car, let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds to allow the oil to circulate fully, and then begin driving gently without heavy acceleration. This method helps the engine reach optimal operating temperature faster and more evenly, reducing thermal stress on components. Driving moderately during the first few minutes also ensures that all engine parts warm up together, preventing premature wear caused by uneven expansion. Avoiding aggressive throttle inputs and high RPMs until the engine is fully warmed up preserves the integrity of internal components and contributes to a longer-lasting engine. Number 2, maintain tire pressure and suspension health. Proper tire maintenance is often overlooked but is essential for extending the lifespan of your vehicle's suspension and overall drivability. Tires that are underinflated or overinflated do not wear evenly, which can lead to premature tire replacement and uneven stress on suspension components such as shocks, struts, control arms, and bushings. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, causing the engine to work harder and the suspension to absorb more impact from the road. Keeping the suspension in good condition also means regularly inspecting for worn or damaged components and replacing them promptly to avoid further damage. Well-maintained tires and suspension not only improve safety and comfort, but also reduce the likelihood of costly repairs down the road. Number 1, drive smoothly and avoid aggressive driving. Your driving style has a profound effect on the longevity of your car's mechanical systems. Aggressive driving behaviors such as rapid acceleration, hard braking, excessive speeding, and frequent high revving put tremendous strain on the engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. These harsh conditions accelerate wear and tear, increase the risk of overheating, and can cause premature failure of critical components. For example, sudden acceleration can cause unnecessary stress on engine mounts and drivetrain parts, while hard braking wears down brake pads and rotors quickly. Smooth, gradual acceleration and braking reduce mechanical stress, improve fuel efficiency, and allow your vehicle's systems to operate within their optimal range. Additionally, anticipating traffic flow and maintaining a steady speed minimizes the need for sudden maneuvers and reduces wear on the transmission and tires. By adopting a calm and consistent driving approach, you not only enhance your safety, but also extend the lifespan of your vehicle's components, helping you avoid costly repairs and keep your car running reliably for many hundreds of thousands of miles. By consistently applying these habits, drivers have been able to keep their cars running strong for over 500,000 miles without major repairs. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.